Hello, welcome to the summer online course for physics. I want to welcome you to class and also run you quickly through the policies and expectations of this course. Since this is an online course, most of our work will be handled through a platform called Canvas. So first things first, when you log on to Canvas, you will see that there are modules that you can either collapse or uncollapse. So first of all, if we collapse all of the modules, these are the three main things you should see for this week. The first one is the course content, the second one is week one work, and the third one is exam. So first of all, let's go into the course content. In the course content, you will find the Zoom link for office hours. We will be holding office hours Monday through Friday from noon to 1 and from 6 to 7, which should coincide with your lunch hours or after work. Then the first thing you should do is introduce yourself. That's homework 1, since this is an online course and we won't be seeing each other personally, so it will be a good idea to get to know each other. So please make sure to complete this introduce yourself homework. So before we move on, let me quickly run you through the policies and expectations of the course. So first things first, the book that we will be using here is The Fundamentals of Physics, the 10th edition by Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. You can get this book from the bookstore or you can order it online, but please make sure you have it available before the course starts. We've already talked about the office hours, but do not think that those are the only two times, noon to 1 and 6 to 7. You can always email me with more questions. My suggestion is to email me early in the week and not wait until the last minute because the deadlines cannot be changed. For Canvas assistance or technology questions, please call the help desk or email the help desk. Another thing I want you to be aware of is make sure you have Microsoft Office installed. We will be using Microsoft Office as a platform. You can get it through Office 365, which is available from Susquehanna University. I also suggest to have multiple browsers in case you run into trouble, especially because of the deadlines that cannot be changed. The grading policy of the course is homework is worth 42%, lab work is worth 30%, and the end of week exams are 28%. There are 2 deadlines in a week, Friday at 6 p.m. for all the homeworks and the labs of the week, and Saturday for the exam of the week. Running you quickly through the lab work, there are 3 parts to every lab: the pre-lab or the worksheet, the lab report itself, and then the quiz. The lab is considered complete once all 3 of them are completed. There will be 1 exam per week. Since this is an intensive 4-week course, there will be 4 exams in total. And remember, your final grade is based on your actual score in the exams and the labs. There are no scaling or dropping of the lowest grade. You have 2 days to appeal any grade that you receive. Policies on exams and quizzes. Since this is an online course, we cannot give makeup exams or quizzes, and cheating is not allowed, so please refer to the SU Student Handbook for more details. And a good rule of thumb is if you're uncertain whether something is allowed, please ask. Now, take a moment to read this online access blurb that is available here. And good tips and technique are take good notes, read the chapter, do the homework early enough so that you have time to come in and ask for help in office hours. I have provided a very brief outline of the course as the course will be run. So each week we'll be going through multiple chapters, so there will be a lot of work to do. So make sure that you do the work early in the week so you're not pressed for time later in the week. You also have 2 labs per week. Again, the same thing goes. They are all due by Friday at 6. The exam of the week is always due Saturday at 6 p.m. Again, please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Now going back to the main page, I have provided you with how to scan pages for upload, the grade breakdown, the point to letter conversion, and the procedure to follow during the lab report. Please make sure you go through them. I will quickly go through the points to letter conversion. So for this course, A will be a score between 95 and 100, a B plus will be 85 to 89.99, and so on and so forth. It is a good idea to keep this in mind and refer back to it as needed. Now going to the module of the week itself. So week 1 consists of these homeworks that you have to complete, and each chapter has lecture videos for you to watch. So if you click on this, it will give you the links to the different videos that you have to watch. If you click the link, it'll take you to the video. Please make sure that when you're watching the videos, you do take good notes. So coming back to this page, once you're done watching the videos, you may start the homework. And even though it is a homework, it will still say quiz. So don't think that that is not a homework. That's the only way Canvas can be set up. So once you start taking the quiz, it will walk you through the quiz. The only one that you have to upload a picture, make sure you upload a JPEG picture on question 1. It is worth 5 points. The rest of the questions are worth 1 point each. The exam itself has its own folder. So there are 3 parts to the exam module. There is an honesty policy, there is a pre-exam question, and then there is exam of the week that you will have to take. Once you're done with all of this work, that is week 1 complete, and you will get access to week 2. Remember, this is an online course which is also self-paced, so you can always work ahead of time. However, you will not be able to work after the deadline has passed. So good luck about the course. I look forward to interacting with you for the next 4 weeks during the course. Work hard, but have fun.